So today we have another 32 ECU. Getting quite common, these are. I thought these were quite, oh, that light is so bright. So hi guys, welcome to Gorilla Garage. We are doing another ECU today. So we have a V8. It is the 32, so this controls all the hydraulic suspension on these ones. He's got a starting fault and a few other minor issues he's not mentioned. He just said he's got a couple of warning lights and it's very, very sluggish. So fingers crossed we're going to find some dodgy caps. So right, let's crack on. So I'll probably do a time roll for this one. that is another ECU all done. We have changed all the caps on this 32. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are a few damaged ones, which we will go through now. That one had literally just started to split. That was one of the damaged ones. Then we have another damaged one there. This one is just starting to swell up. And then I believe, yeah, that's another one that's gone as well there. So there was 4 that were going and 1 that was swelling up. So that is now all complete, and I will now send that back to the customer, and fingers crossed we are all good and jobs are good. And so thank you very much for watching. That is another Toyota Soarer ECU done. This one, like I said, was on a 32 with a hydraulic suspension. So fingers crossed this all works and the customer will be happy. If you have any questions, then please feel free to send me a comment. If you're watching this on Facebook, then I'm part of the groups anyway, so just send me a DM. Also, if you are watching this and you've watched it to the end, please like and subscribe because it does really help out. I do have super thanks as well, so if this is you actually watching this and you want to give me a bit of a tip, or I've done some work for you, or you just found this useful, please feel free to donate, as it all helps out the channel. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to press the buttons. Mm.